guys, so welcome back to my channel.
Girl, how you doing?
I did get engaged. Just kidding. But no, really, this is fake. Anyways, but today I wanted to do a Arabic. There's lipstick all over my teeth. I'm wearing my retainers right now, so if I'm talking a little weird, and if my teeth look super shiny, that is why. It's night. It is currently 11:13 and I filmed a tutorial for y'all. Wow. But today I did this makeup look and it is pretty much like Arabic stars inspired makeup from 2007. So this is an Arab makeup tutorial, Arabic makeup tutorial. And yes, girl, this is the result of it. But yeah, keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. Alright, bye-bye. Love you. Hi guys.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
This happened. So I recorded my eyebrow stuff and then it said card full, so I started deleting some files and I accidentally deleted everything, including the video where I was doing my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna be like those YouTubers that are like, so I did my eyebrows off camera because that takes a lot of time and I've seen it so many times. Really quickly, my face is extremely red, including my neck area. Do not be afraid. Everything is okay at home, but I have a cat and I'm allergic to a cat, so that's literally about it. There's nothing else to say. But anyways, yeah, everyone's asking me like, yo, what are you doing in college to be successful? And I'm at a point right now where I'm just frustrated because my classes are getting harder and I don't quit, so I'm not changing my damn major. You know that. I'm sticking with my biochem major. I'm pushing through because I really love my major, like where it's gonna take me. So I'm not gonna give up. So for eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be using the Deca Scarlet palette. If you guys have not heard of this, what the hell are you doing? This is like a subscription, and basically what they do is every month they have a new palette that they send out to you, and it's the same cost that you pay every month, $30 a month, and you get every single time something new. This time, this was for the month of February. They're so freaking beautiful. I'm so excited to use these. And also eyeliner. But the eyeliner's not with me, but it's a fill tip eyeliner. It works amazing. My mom stole it from me because she liked it so much. Just kidding, but you know what? She could have it all. Shoot. For today's look, like I said, I want to be like Arabic inspired. So I'm gonna be basic and look up a Haifa Wahbi makeup. Look up one of her pictures. We're gonna try to do something. If you're gonna hit me with that look like nothing like her, no honey, I know it doesn't. It's because this is just for like some inspo, just to get me feeling a little bit more Lebanese. She is so freaking cute. Do not at me if you do not like her. You guys, Jaden Smith, I really like him. It's on SoundCloud, so I wish you would copyright me. I'm so off. I'm disgusted. Let's just do this look. Anyways, Jaden Smith is the thing. If you guys want me to do those like playlist videos, I will try to do that. But that's not if you guys want me to. I really listen to ugly ass music. Well, I might like make a playlist of all the songs you shouldn't listen to, because it's all the songs that I listen to. So I'm gonna take Space, which is this color right here. I'm gonna just go in with it. Yep, no transitions, no transition. Honey, this color, I was like scared to use it because I thought I needed a transition. Any little taper brush will do, like this one, and I'm gonna take this beautiful color here. These are like super pigmented. I'm gonna take this color here called Gravity. I'm about to ruin this look, I know it, and she does. Oh, she's not bad. Okay, Wow, this is really soft. So the reason why I use my fingers is because I saw that this look has like sparkles in it. Mess with this palette. It looks really messy right now, but we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna go back into the color Stellar, like that burgundy color you were using earlier, and I'm just gonna go in to clean that up a bit right here. I'm gonna take this little brush here. There's really nothing on it. I know it looks tinted, but there's nothing on it. It's just, I'm nasty as hell. And we're just gonna blend. Oh no. Really quickly, I want to recommend, do not, so when I started this makeup tour, I put this on my skin, this oil. It's really good for your skin, but if you're putting makeup on, do not put this on your eyelids because it will like make your eyeshadow separate, and I totally forgot about that. So I have my eyeliner did, and I put a little bit of black mascara. Any black mascara will do. I don't really wear mascara for the length. I just wear it so like all the eyeshadow fallout kind of goes away. Oh. Oh my god, I feel like I just made all my Arabs look so bad right now. I'm so sorry. I really tried, okay? Oh my god, please do not judge me off of this because I swear to y'all, this just got like really bad, like really fast. So we're gonna have to fix this. So what I'm gonna do is the bottom is way too black for me, so I'm gonna clean it up. These eyelashes are still drying, so if you see a big ass ugly ass thing on top, that's why. And I really don't like their band. So we're gonna take this MAC brush and I'm gonna just pop that on my cheek. Last time I tried blush, I was like 15 and I put so much, my mom said I look like an old lady. I'm using my MAC highlighter in Oh Darling. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope y'all like it. I actually really like the results. At first I was kind of scared. That's how I do my makeup. It's always like, you see how it's always like, oh my god, it's gonna turn out like crap, and then it turns out like decent crap. What am I doing? Alright, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh freaking, are you kidding? Okay, we gotta go.